Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. My Honda snowblower recently has been clogging in the chute here, so the snow gets stuck in this area. So let's go ahead and take a closer look on why that's getting stuck there. So we're looking a little bit closer at this snow chute. This is a metal snow chute, so this fix probably won't work on plastic snow chutes, but you can see that it's extremely rough and chipped through here. So the previous owner must have had some sort of gravel driveway or lots of rocks, and they've just completely taken the paint off of this snowblower chute. And so what tends to happen is the snow comes up, it gets stuck to these chips, and it really just builds up right here so the snow cannot get out. And I've noticed that you'll just have this huge clump of snow right here which blocks the snow from flying out. What we're going to do is we're going to sand this down, we're going to paint it, we're going to clear coat it, and then we're going to purchase a cheap ceramic coating off Amazon, and we're just going to coat the inside of this and also the inside of the snowblower down below with ceramic coating, and I think that's going to solve this issue. Okay, so I removed all these parts. It took me about 5 minutes, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up these two pieces. I'm going to clean them up, sand them, then we're going to paint them. Okay guys, I got them all sanded down. What I did is I sanded them, washed it off with water, and then I wiped it all with alcohol swab just so that get any oils, grease off. So I'm going to mask around the outside, and then I'm just going to put some paint on the inside of both of these. Okay guys, I got it painted. I've let it cure for about 4 days, and this is what it came out to be. It's not perfect. I got kind of a run there in the middle. It flattened out, but I also got a bug stuck in my paint. But it looks great. This is smooth, and I'll just show you really quick. You put some water on here, and the water beads up. So that's what you're looking for, is you want the water to bead up so that it doesn't stick to the paint like it was before. So I used the apple red for the inside of this, and I used the gloss black for the chute adjustment. And I put 2 coats of color. This is gloss paint, and then I put 2 coats of gloss clear coat on, so that will keep it from wearing down as the snow flies through the chute. So some people call it good there. This will work for a while. You got to remember, as the snow flies through here, it's going to wear down this clear coat, so you'll either have to come back and polish it, or you can spray some canola oil in here, you know, the spray oil cans that you can get at the store, and that helps temporarily. You can even wax it, which helps, but I recently saw someone, they went out and bought some ceramic coating, and so this is something you put on your car, and it provides a really slick hydrophobic surface. They've demonstrated you put it on one side of the hood and not on the other, and you can put like mud and it'll just slide off. So what I'm thinking to do is I'm going to coat this in ceramic coating as well. It's very easy, simple process. You just apply it with the sponge and then you buff it out, and it's good to go. And that should last for quite a few snowblow rounds. So I'll put the ceramic coating on, and then we'll install it in the snowblower, and we'll wait for some snow to come. Okay, this is the stuff I bought. Definitely want to have some gloves on when you're doing this. It comes with this nice sponge. Underneath this, there's a microfiber cloth and some detailed instructions. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, it's installed on the snowblower. It's currently raining. Totally bummed. I want to test this out. So let's wait around for some snow. Well guys, I'd call that a success. Really happy with the results of both repainting this and then putting the ceramic coating on. I would recommend doing it. It's just so cheap on Amazon, it's totally worth it. Every time I would snowblow in the past, I would have to clean this chute out. Basically every 2 or 3 passes I'd have to clean this thing out, and now there's nothing in there. It's so awesome. So I definitely recommend making this simple mod. If yours is painted and looking good already, you don't have to repaint it, just put the ceramic coating on. If you have a bunch of chips and dings like mine did, it probably would be best to repaint it and then put the ceramic coating on. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Hope this was very useful information for you guys, consider subscribing to the channel and give me a like if you think this is some good content. Have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Good job. Yeti, do you like the snow?